So, nung 50th year anniversary ng Puma Suede, nakipag-collab sila with MCM. Ito yung before niya. Sobrang dumi. Tignan nyo yung suede part. Parang beaters na nga eh. Yung ilalim niya, sobrang dilaw na. Talagang we took the time para linisin, para ma-achieve yung gantong. What is good? So, fam, today, meron tayo 50th year anniversary ng Puma collab with MCM. Yung MCM is a luxurious brand known for bags and accessories. So, nung 50th year anniversary ng Puma Suede, nakipag-collab sila with MCM. This shoe is made of Italian leather and suede. What we did here was we dismantled the shoes. Kumbaga, tinanggal lahat yung tahi na yan, nilinis yung mga factory adhesive, tsaka natin nilinis and idinikit at tsaka tinahi ulit. So medyo matrabaho. And most especially, we took special care with this one. Kasi nga, this is a branded shoe. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung before niya. Sobrang dumi. Ayan, tignan nyo yung suede part. Parang beaters na nga eh. Ito, kung makikita nyo, yung ilalim niya, sobrang dumi and sobrang dilaw na. Talagang we took the time para linisin, para ma-achieve yung gantong kulay. Same sole yan ha. Hindi pinalitan yan. Kaya hindi dismantle natin. As you can see, tanggal lahat ng factory adhesive niya. Walang natitirang kahit anong bakas ng lumang adhesive. Para mapadikit natin ng mas maayos at hindi matanggalang ulit. Dahil sayang kung hindi natin lilinisin. So if you want these kinds of services, don't hesitate. So game.
So gay, pagod mong sapatos, we revive that. Lakad mo mapigat, we rewind